Namaste. Welcome to another Friday session. Merry Christmas to all of you. Hope you all must be healthy, safe, and happy. Today, I'm going to recite another of my new unpublished poem. Hope you all like it and it brings a cheer to your Christmas spirit. If you do like it, then share it with your friends and family. Put a thumbs up. Do send in your comments and subscribe to my channel. So here's presenting this week's poem. It's called Not Just Another Christmas Song. Not just another Christmas song. It's that time of the year. Just spread the joyful cheer. Cherish your moments with family and friends. Say sorry to all those you have to before the year ends. Up in the north, somewhere, sitting by a cozy warm fire on his rocking chair, with hot cocoa in one hand and a list on the other. You know what's in store for you when you didn't listen to your mother. This jolly old man sips his coca and laughs out loud. Some of you really have made him proud. If you've been good, really good, the surreal spirit of Christmas you have understood. He brings gifts, toys, and blessings for all of you. Just be nice, be good, and be true. If you've been bad, you will get cold. Think hard what you did from your soul. The sportly man loves you all. Be you big or be you small. Not for the gifts, he wants you to be nice. By nature, you should always be good, and that is his advice. His elves go past screaming at him. They complain that it's high time Comet loses some weight and becomes slim. The reindeers are ready for action, even though cookies and milk provide a lot of distraction. His red suit now barely fits. Sometimes he's too tired, but he can't call it quits. He strokes his white beard knowingly. His ivory shine and his eyes sparkle glowingly. He looks once again at both the lists. He doesn't want anyone to be missed. He instructs his elves to check again the sacks to make sure nothing it lacks. Be it filled with gifts or be it cold, it's really a long haul from North Pole. He trims the fur and puts on his red suit, wears the cap and polishes the black boots. After one look in the mirror to give one final check, he knows that by the time he finishes, he would look like a wreck. But right now, he has to ignore all these thoughts. Like every year, before flying, his stomach is in knots. So many places in just one night. It's so beautiful with stars shining so bright. He does it only for the smiling faces, even though it's a tight fit in those chimney cases. He knows that these kids, after some year, will stop believing and that he truly fears. He wants to tell you that it's not him. You have to actually believe. No one is sitting somewhere ready to deceive. You have to understand the thought behind all this. If you know the spirit of Christmas, then that is truly bliss. Compassion, kindness, empathy, and love. If you have, the heavens will shine from you from above. So without wasting any time, without any delay, he bids farewell and gets on his sleigh. He flies away high, very high into the night sky. It's a grueling task. Why he does it everywhere? He often wonders why. He knows that all children everywhere eagerly wait. He rushes from one house to another, doesn't want to be late. As I said, that his only reward are those smiling faces. He does not care for caste, religion, or any of those races. But people all over have stopped believing in him now. How to make them, he does not know how. People today have become more selfish, he sometimes feels. They are materialistic and self-centered, he reveals. They have lost their way and they have gone astray. He knows that his nice list is becoming shorter and shorter every year. He wants to, but can't even shed a tear. Not much corn is left to cater, all in the naughty list. I hope you all are truly understanding this poem's gist. It's a warning, so just be aware. Get your act together and begin to care. Or else, there will be no longer any Christmas soon enough. I'm telling you the truth. It's not just a bluff. Be aware of the world you're leaving for your children before it's too late, before your head is shame-ridden. The life we have is to be loved and cherished. Just don't waste it. Don't let it get perished. Care for others who are less fortunate than you. Try sometimes walking in their shoe. The Lord above knows all and sees all. Don't do any such thing that might be the reason for your downfall. Spread the spirit of joy and love and togetherness all year long. Just remember that this is not just another Christmas song. Hope you all liked the poem. If you did, then share it with your friends and family. Put a thumbs up, do send in your comments, and subscribe to my channel. Till next week, be safe, be healthy, and be happy. Wish you all and your family and your loved ones a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Jai Hind.